Hey there! Let's see how to draw a jar of pickles step by step. Here is my pencil. First of all, you have to draw an oval. Okay, now draw two lines. Let's join them. Very good. Let's draw a curved line. This is the cover of the pickles cap. Wavy, wavy. Now let's draw the jar. Do the same thing to the other side. Now join them. Draw another curved line. Now let's start drawing the pickle. I'm starting with a leaf. And this is the first one. Here is a piece of garlic. Another leaf and one more garlic. A long funny nose. One more garlic. Two big eyes. And long funny nose. They should have some eyebrows. Big smiley mouth. Let's draw a few more. Oh, this piece of pickle has some teeth. Let's draw their body pattern. Let's draw some black paper. Now I'm drawing some coriander leaves. Let's do their body pattern in a fast forward way. Okay. Now let's draw some pattern to the jar's cap. Let's draw a bow. My drawing is done. Let's do the outline. I'm using my black pen to do the outline. Oh, it was a tricky job. Now let's do the coloring. I'm using my tiny coloring pen to do coloring. I'm using light green. Now I'm using yellow. I will use green and yellow to make a sea green color. Now coloring the coriander leaves. Okay, now I'm using my green color to color the pickles. Let's do it as fast as we can. Wow! Let's color the black paper with my black pen. I'm using a dark green color to color the pattern of the George cap. Now I'm using brown. I'm using green again to color the bow. My coloring is done! And this is how you can draw a jar of pickles step by step within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.